Every summer, gardeners make this one mistake, and it wipes out their entire season. It doesn't matter how much compost you used, how healthy your seedlings looked in spring, or how much time you've put into your beds. If you do this one thing wrong, your entire garden could fail. So, what is this garden-killing summer mistake? Watering during the peak heat of the day. It seems harmless, right? The sun is out, you're already in the yard, hose in hand. But here's the truth. Watering in the midday sun is one of the worst things you can do for your plants. And millions of gardeners fall into this trap every single summer. Let's break it down. In summer, temperatures soar, especially between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. When you water during these peak hours, most of the water evaporates before it ever reaches the roots. That means your plants stay thirsty, no matter how much you soak them. Even worse, droplets of water left on leaves can act like little magnifying glasses under the sun's glare, burning your foliage. On top of that, rapid evaporation changes the way nutrients behave in the soil. It causes salts to build up near the surface, damaging sensitive root systems and disrupting your plant's ability to absorb what they need to thrive. It's not just wasteful, it's destructive. The result? Plants begin to wilt by mid-afternoon, leaves yellow or brown at the edges, flowers drop off before fruits can form. Growth slows. Your garden, once full of promise, turns into a patch of disappointment. But don't panic, we can fix this. Here are 3 fast, effective changes you can make starting today. Tip 1. Water early in the morning. The absolute best time to water your garden is between 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. The air is cooler, the soil can absorb moisture deeply, and plants have time to drink up before the heat sets in. Morning watering also reduces the risk of fungal diseases, which thrive in warm, moist conditions overnight. If mornings don't work for you, your second best option is early evening. But be sure the foliage has time to dry before nightfall. Tip 2. Water deeply, not frequently. Shallow watering encourages weak, surface-level roots. Instead, give your garden a good, slow soak a few times a week. Use soaker hoses or drip irrigation to deliver water right to the root zone. This helps build strong, resilient plants that can handle heat stress much better. Tip 3. Mulch like a pro. A 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch, whether it's straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves, acts like a sunshield for your soil. It traps moisture, keeps the roots cool, and reduces evaporation dramatically. Plus, mulch helps suppress weeds that compete for water. Bonus tip? Keep a soil moisture meter or use the finger test. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil. If it feels dry at that depth, it's time to water. If it's still moist, hold off. This one habit alone will save you gallons of water and prevent overwatering stress. So now stop and ask yourself, when was the last time you watered? Was it during peak sun? Were the leaves wet? Did you just give the top layer a sprinkle? If so, it's not too late to course correct. Gardening success in summer doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter. Understanding how heat, water, and timing interact can make the difference between a thriving garden and a dying one. Don't let all your hard work go to waste over one preventable mistake. Take action today. Set an early morning watering schedule. Invest in mulch. Check your soil before every watering. Small changes now will save your entire season. If this tip helped you, hit that like button and share your biggest summer garden mistake in the comments. We've all been there. And for more smart gardening advice every week, be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell. We're here to help you grow stronger, smarter, and greener, no matter the weather.